Alright, welcome to today's video, and today, I know I said the last video I was going to do the SPC camber control arms and show you guys how that was going to happen. However, the car was at the shop, I was at work, David's a really nice guy, and he just did it for me. However, I still kind of want to show you guys kind of what to expect, I guess, without actually doing it. I really wanted to make the video of showing you guys the process. But we're not all winners. So I'm gonna get under my car real quick, show you guys kind of like, kind of like a rough idea of what to expect when you're doing this, because it wasn't as easy as I thought it was gonna be when we were gonna do it. So that's why the car stayed overnight, and that's the next day I had work, and there wasn't anything I could do. Dave was at the shop, and yeah. All right, so you guys can kind of see right now that the camber arms are on. They are zeroed out as well. So that's kind of my setup right now, is 0 in the rear. I have -5 in the front, and I'm towed out by 0.25 on each side. So towed out 0.50 total. Now with this setup, I thought it was just taking off that bolt, and then that bolt connected up near the diff. I thought it was going to be that simple. Just pull those bolts out, hammer them out, get it out, whatever. However, the diff itself was kind of in the way. And so what you'll actually probably need to do is, you don't have to take the diff completely out, but you just raise up the diff a little bit, just enough to get the bolts in the camber arms. So you raise up the diff a little bit, take out your CV axles just slightly. Again, you don't have to pull anything out. Everything just has to be loose enough for you to jack up the diff to get the bolts on the back there, or the one bolt, I should say, out of the camber arm to replace it with the SPC arms or whatever camber control arms you guys got. But anyways, that's just the bare basic idea. But with all that being said, here's what's going on with the car right now. So after everything happened, my turn signal on this side doesn't work. And I have a freaking stupid ticket for my brake light being out. And I got the new tail lights, and actually they work. The brake light works now. It's just the BMW has metal connections. If you drive a BMW, you would know what I'm talking about. But if not, I don't know if guys are gonna be able to see it at all. No, not really. But the inside is pretty much a ground. Like the whole tail light itself is like a ground. If you own a BMW E36, you know what I'm talking about. So I got new taillights, or working taillights I should say, and I was gonna swap them on, go pay my fix-it ticket, and then swap them back out with my smoked ones. And yeah, but now I have a really stupid issue. The turn signals all the way around do not work. Inside the car, when you flip it on, it doesn't flash. Thought it was a fuse, replaced fuse. When I crashed, there's a wire in there. I don't know if you guys saw it in the last video, but that one was pretty chewed up. I replaced the wiring, still nothing. But today's video is gonna be fun. I'm gonna go to the car meet tonight. I haven't been to, now that I have weekends off, I can actually go to these meets, do some content, and it'll be rad. And then I got some tires, and my car's fixed. You already know what's about to go down tonight. Alright, you guys remember this spot? Get it. There's a lot less people here tonight on a Friday night. But, yeah, I'm back. Back on my bullshit. I'm gonna slide a little bit. Not as much as I did last time. And I'm definitely gonna be a little more responsible around that corner. Instead of trying to go in it, I'm only gonna come out of it. So, yeah, get it. I'm not sure if you guys remember Frankie, but she got a Miata. She's doing it. Stoked about that. All the kids are growing up, man. All right, I want to go drive now. Yeah, buddy. These new E46 lower control arms. Holy shit, I'm actually grabbing much more angle. Holy shit, they feel fucking great. Damn, it feels so much better. So your boy's out of here. I'm gonna bounce and go home. I got a ton of videos to edit. If you guys haven't seen it on Hobby's channel, the video we did for his reveal, go check it out. If you guys watch my behind the scenes video for this video, you'll know that that whole short film we did is gonna be on his channel, not mine. But with that all being said, I'm gonna get out of here, get home. I will see you guys all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and have a good night. Goodbye.